All right, guys, welcome back. So I've been getting a lot of questions lately about the Down4Sound, the JP40, and the JP630. You want to hold that? Oh, there you go. So a couple of the comments have been either how do you charge it? What do you charge it with? And what should I use to charge it? I didn't get my my resistor. Now this is supposed to come with your JP630 to charge your capacitors. You should, when you buy any capacitor, get a resistor, some kind of resistor. If you don't, you can also use a bulb. Now this is just a regular, it's just a car, I think this is for my blinkers. It has a wire on here, and you just pull the wire up, pull the other wire up, and you would use that the same way you would use these. Now this would go to your charging, your charger. This would go to your JP630, and that's how you would charge it. Now this light, when you first turn it on, and it's going to be the same thing when you use this as a resistor. You're going to get a light. It's going to get real hot when it starts charging. As it continues charging, you're going to see it get dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. Same thing with this. You can actually see it got so hot, it burned it burned the tape around it, and it has like a residue on it because it got so hot. Because that's basically stopping that 12-volt charge from filling up the batteries too fast. It's allowing it to trickle charge very slowly. And that's the whole idea behind the capacitors, is that they're it's like a battery that charges and discharges very fast. When you charge it, it's just the opposite. You're very slowly charging it because you want it to have a huge charge in all the cells. Same thing like if you have a 1 farad capacitor, a 2 farad capacitor. They have like 5 farad capacitors. Those things, I'm actually going to buy one of those, and we're going to just rip it apart and show you guys what it is. Because as far as I heard, it's like a little teeny battery inside of this big ass battery looking thing.
I like to call them oversized voltmeters.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, really. I mean, if all you're having is like a little light dim, like no hesitation on your car, or like you open your car doors and your interior lights are dimming a little teeny bit, then the capacitor might be the route to go. But I would still recommend, don't waste the $50 on that. Go buy a little
just buy the JP630.
It's a $50. Actually, yeah, the JP630 right now is $200 on sale.
That's cheap, and the farads in it, and one cell has thousands.
Yeah, one of the cells is like 5,000 farads. It's insane. I did do a whole video on the unboxing, and we showed the individual cells, their voltage, and their farad. So anyways, I had a couple people, they said that first of all, they didn't get their meter. Guys, when you buy something from Down4Sound, record it. Put it on your TikTok, put it on your YouTube, put it on your Facebook. Put it on your phone. Just put it on your phone. Say you have a recording, okay, when you're unboxing it. You have it recorded. As soon as you call them, say, I have this on recording. I recorded it. You don't even have to say for your channel. Just say, I recorded it. And I'm missing my blah, blah, blah. I'm missing my temperature and what is that?
Temperature.
The temperature voltmeter.
Yeah.
Those are $100 of missing from your package. Did we pause or something?
Oh no, just
I don't know what happened. Okay, so the voltmeter, anyways, they're $100. It's a lot of money to have missing from your package. So if you're missing that, you definitely want to call them immediately as soon as you get it and explain on camera. I'm freezing again.
Because your phone battery is low.
Oh, that too?
Yeah.
So, make sure you take care of that right away. Call them. Be honest. I mean, they should have it in overstock. I think my battery's running low, guys, so I'm going to cut the video a little short. So hopefully, guys, you can use it. You can use this as a resistor. You should have gotten this with your 630, your JP 630. Caleb's been kind enough to hold the phone for us. So guys, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. If you got any questions, comments, drop them down below. I always try to answer everything. Caleb responds sometimes in my comments. So either one of us can answer one of your questions. If you have something. Take care of yourselves and each other, guys. Don't forget to get involved in that free giveaway. It's almost coming to an end at 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. As always, peace.
Peace.